How safe is it to crash in a motorhome? The Swedish Transport Administration has uniquely found out. After several fatal accidents involving motorhomes on Swedish roads, the vehicle's ability to protect people in a collision is being questioned. Through the Transport Administration's in-depth studies of fatal road accidents, it has been found several times that crash safety in motorhomes is lacking.
We saw a number of typical accidents this past summer with motorhomes involved. Most were head-on collisions, and in those cases you see severe intrusion into the driver's cabin, partly on the passenger side as well. These are collisions that are very hard to walk away from unscathed. It's very hard to get out of it unscathed.
There's a lot of interest in motorhomes. In 5 years, sales have increased by 50, and today there are almost 100,000 motorhomes in Sweden. But even though there are more and more on our roads, there's little focus on safety.
There are some legal requirements, but they're not particularly strict. Otherwise, there's no consumer testing that drives development.
To raise consumer awareness, the Swedish Transport Administration crash tested 2 different types of motorhomes in the spring of 2019.
Here we've chosen 2 models, one fully integrated and the other semi-integrated. Both are based on the most common chassis out there. We're confident that the results are representative for most motorhomes on the market.
The tests were carried out at VTI, the Swedish National Road and Transport Research Institute. In both vehicles, dummies are placed as a family would travel. First up is a semi-integrated motorhome, that is a chassis with a driver's cab onto which the living area is built.
The driver's side has been severely crushed. So basically there's no survival space left for the driver. For the front passenger, the construction looks a bit better. On the driver's side, the floor has completely given way. So as I said, the chance of survival is initially minimal.
The other vehicle, a fully integrated motorhome built from the ground up on a chassis, is repaired in the same way. In this vehicle, the interior is fixed in place and, for example, the table can't be removed while driving. When the experts analyzed the crashed, fully integrated vehicle, they discovered that the front pillars are made of wood.
The construction seems to be mostly wood. There aren't any energy-absorbing structures that are supposed to take up energy in a crash. It just looks like it's mostly wood. It's also very unusual to see the driver's seat and the steering wheel move so far back and to the right. There has been a massive intrusion. Honestly, that's not good at all. Such a large intrusion is very rare to see. Especially when you consider that it's a modern vehicle. We're talking about a 2017 model.
There can be variations in design and materials that may affect crash safety, but the conclusion from the Swedish Transport Administration is that there are major shortcomings in the crash safety of motorhomes. There is a very high risk of fatality in a head-on collision. Motorhomes can be made safer. The results of the tests should be used to encourage ongoing dialogue and further development of crash safety in motorhomes.